Countersinking screws is an easy way to make your project look instantly more professional. When you countersink a screw, you're creating a recess that allows the screw to sit flush with the surface, instead of having the screw head protrude out of the hole. You generally want to do this anytime you're trying to hide the screw from sight. The easiest way to go about this is by using a tapered countersink bit. With this, you can drill your pilot hole and your countersink with a single tool. A pilot hole is a small hole you drill into a piece of wood prior to drilling in the screw, helping you to keep your wood from splitting. If you're working with a thin material like trim or sheet goods such as plywood, you'll want to opt for a fluted countersink cutter, which creates a chamfer at the entrance of the hole. The only time you shouldn't countersink your screws is when you're attaching wood to metal, say if you're attaching a drawer slide or a cabinet pull. In that case, you'll want to opt for a pan head or a sheet metal screw. These have flat heads and reduce the chance of the wood splitting or pulling the screw through. More than likely, if you're taking the time to countersink your holes, you want to hide the screws and fasteners from sight. To do this, you want to create a counter bore, or a large hole at the entrance of the pilot hole. This large hole can then be filled with either wooden dowel, inserted, glued, and trimmed flush, or wood putty. With either method, you'll need to wait until either the glue or putty is dry, and then sand until you achieve a smooth, seamless fit. Once you paint or stain over the filled bore, no one will ever be able to tell there was a screw there. Countersinking your screws does take a little more time, but the final product will be well worth it. Your project will have clean lines and look like it was built by a professional.